Hey, have you ever been working on a really old engine such as this one right here that you're having a difficult time getting the spark plug out that's been in it for a really long time? I'm going to show you a simple way how to do this using a propane torch and a little bit of penetrating oil that you'll have less risk of snapping your spark plug out as well of pulling the threads out of your aluminum cylinder head. Stay tuned. Wow. Ugh. All right, might have to put a little bit of heat on there. Nothing worse than breaking a spark plug off an aluminum cylinder head. Not the end of the world if you do, but it's not fun getting the broken spark plug out. Let's let that sit on there for a few minutes and cook that, and we'll hit it with some penetrating oil. That spark plug definitely been in there for a while. It didn't hurt anything. The threads are not pulled in it, so it worked out great. As you can see, using this approach and method, you can have success and get results. Hopefully this helps you out if you're in this situation, and thanks for watching.